my dear student, inshallah we will make a revision in algebra. The exam paper consists of 5 questions. First one is choose. It consists of 6 points. Each one have 1 mark. Then you have 4 essay questions. Each one consists of 2 parts, A and P. 3 marks for each one, okay? Let's go. First question here is a choose. The first one, if number of x equals 3 and number of x cross y equal 15, then number of y equal what? Good. 15 divided by 3 equals 5. Good. The next is 5 if the ordered pair 3, 5 belong what? Belong to set of element 3x cross set of element x on 8. Then x equals what? We know the ordered pair consists of 2 projections. First projection belongs to the first set and second projection 5 belong to second set. Then x equal 5. Good. Number 3 here. F set of element 2 cross set of element x and y equal the set of ordered pair 2, 4 and 2, 3. The same idea here. First projection belongs to first set and second projection belongs to the second set. So x equal 4 and y equal 3. Or maybe x equal 3 and y equal 4, because we know the order of the element in the set doesn't important. So x minus y equal positive or negative 1, okay? Now the next, number 4. If x difference y equal set of element 7, y difference x equal set of element 2 and 4, and x intersect y, I mean the common element between them, set of element 6. Then x cross y intersect y cross x equals what? So in the first we need to find the element of x and element of y. Now here x equals set of element 6 is a common, so the first one 6 and the element belong to x is 7. Y set of element what? Yes, 6 and set of element, the element which belong to y 2 and 4. Now we have set of x and set of element of y. Now we can find x cross y and also y cross x. Then we can find the intersection between them. Then the ordered pair between them, which is intersect, or the common between them, is the first one, set of ordered pair 6 and 6. Okay. Now, if point A minus B and 5 lies on y-axis, then what? Okay, y-axis, I mean the x coordinate equal 0. So A minus B equals 0. A minus B equals 0. Then A equals B. Okay. The next, if the point 5 and P minus 7 is located on the x-axis, then B equal what? The same idea here. Located on x-axis, then the y coordinate equals 0. Then P minus 7 equal 0. Okay, so the value of P equal here equal 7. Good. If the relation or equal set of ordered pair 4, 3, 1 with 3, 2, 5, then I represent a function where its range is, yes, the range here, the second projection 3 and 5. So the set of element 3 and 5, okay? Number 8 is the function f from x to y. Then the range of the function the same idea belong to what? Belong to the second set, belong to y. So f subset the range of the function f subset from y. Good. Number 9, if the function fx where x equal, if the function fx equal x times x minus 4x power 2 is a polynomial of the what degree? Okay, we need to find the degree of the function. We must simplify it in the first. So x times x equal x power 2 minus x times 4x power 2 equal 4x power 3. So this function in the third degree, okay? Third degree. The next, number 10, if x equal x power 2 minus root 3x, then f root 3 equals what? Here I mean the value of x equal root 3, and I need to find the value of y when we substitute by root 3. So you can substitute by root 3 in this function. Root 3 power 2 minus root 3 times root 3 equals root 3 power 2 equals 3 minus root 3 times root 3 equals 3. 3 minus 3 equals 0. So the answer is 0. Okay, clear? Next, number 11, if fx equal kx plus 8, okay, and f2 equals 0, then k equals what? Okay, f2, I mean here the value of x equal 2 and the value of y equals 0. You can substitute by the values of x and y in this function. So fx equal what? Equal 0 and x equal 2, so 2k plus 8 equal 0. Now k equal, yes, if you simplify it, we find k equal negative 4. The next, if fx equal 7, then f negative 3 equal what? This is constant function. So the value of y doesn't change with the values of x. So f negative 3 equal also 7. Number 13, the function f where fx equals 3x is linear function is represented graphically by straight line which passing through the origin point, because we doesn't have intercepted part from y axis, okay? Number 14, the function fx equal x power 2 minus x power 2 minus 2x is polynomial of what degree? The same. I said what? We must simplify the function to find the degree of it, okay? So if you simplify it, we find x power 2 minus x power 2, you can cancel it, equal 0. So negative times negative 2x equal 2x. So this function in first degree, okay? If 3a equal 5b, then 3a over b equal what? Okay, we can use the properties of proportion here. I need to find a over p, so a to p equal 5 to 3, yes. Now you have the value of a to b, simplify by it in this relation, okay? So 3 times a over b equal 5 over 3. Then you can simplify it. We find the value of it equal 5. Okay? The next, number 16, if 4x power 2 equal 9y power 2, then x over y equal what? The same idea. I will use the properties of what? Of the proportion. So I need to find x to y. So x power 2 over y power 2 equal 9 over 4. By taking the square root for both sides, we get x over y equal positive or negative 3 over 2. Take care from positive or negative grade 9. Number 17, F. Number 17, F. FA plus 2B over A minus B equal 2 over 3. Then B over A equal what? Okay. You can use the cross multiplication here. So 3 times A equals 3A plus 2B times 3 equals 6B equal 2 times A equal 2A minus 2 times negative B equal negative 2P. Now you can simplify them. You can move 2A here and also 6 here. We got A equals what? Equal negative 8P. Now I need to find B to A, okay? P to A equal 1 over negative 8, okay? So negative 1 over 8. Number 18. Number 18, F A over P equal 2 over 3 and A over C equal 4 over 5. Now I need to find the ratio between P to C, okay? Okay. Now A to P equal 2 over 3 and A to C equal 4 over 5. The common sample here is A. So I will put A in the middle. Then here, before it, P and then C. Ratio between A to B, 2 to 3. Then the ratio between B to A equals 3 over 2. 3 to 2. And here the ratio between A to C, 4 to 5. 4 to 5. Then you can use this rule to find the ratio between B to A to C. Here, 2 times 4 equal 8. 2 times 5 equal 10, 3 times 4 equal 12, then simplify by 2 because all of them is even number. So I will divide by 2. I will find 6 to 4 to 5, okay? Then the ratio between B to C equals 6 to 5. Yes, 6 to 5, okay? Next one, number 19, the third proportion of two numbers, 9 and negative 12. I said third proportion. I have only two numbers, then it's continued proportion. Then 9 over negative 12 equal negative 12 or the third proportion. Then the third equal negative 12 times negative 12 divided 9 equals 16. Good. Number 20. The proportional mean between x and y. Proportional mean, I mean also continued proportion. Continued proportion. I mean if you have x over الميدل, okay? اللي هو الميدل term equal also middle over y. So the middle here positive or negative root xy, positive or negative root the product of xy, okay? Another one for this idea, number 21. The proportional mean between x negative 2 and x plus 2 is what? I need what? Proportional mean. So positive or negative root the product of first and third, okay? X minus 2 times x plus 2. The product of the two brackets is x bar 2 minus 4. So the answer is positive or negative root x bar 2 minus 4. Number 28. The positive square root. The positive square root of the average of squares of deviations of values from their mean is called, yes, standard deviation. Good. Number 28. The answer here, standard deviation, okay? Number 28. If all individual values are equal in values, then yes, standard deviation equals 0. Last one, the range. The range of the set of values 5, 14, 4, 27, 15, 16, and 7 is equal what? Yes, the range equal the greatest value minus the smallest value. Greatest value here is 37, good. Minus the smallest value here is 4. Yes, is 4. So 37 minus 4 equals 33. Okay. Now it's time for essay question. Number 2 is, okay. Number 2, if x equal set of element -2, -1, 0, 1, and 2, and R is the relation on x, where ARP means A is the additive inverse of the number P. For every A belong to x and P also belong to x. Okay, the required state R, then represent it by arrow diagram and Cartesian diagram. What is the meaning of additive inverse? Additive inverse, I mean to change the sign of the number. So the additive inverse for -2 is 2. Okay, so the relation here, okay, the relation, the first ordered pair of the relation is -2 and 2. Second, -1, its additive inverse is 1, good. So the second order pair, -1 and 1. 0, the additive inverse of 0 is 0, good. Additive inverse of 1 is -1. And the additive inverse for 2 is -2. Okay, now I need to represent this relation by the arrow diagram and also by Cartesian diagram. The first, we note something here, 0, 0. First projection equals second projection. So I will represent it by a loop, okay? So the first set I have 0, okay? Here this represents 0, so I will represent it by a loop. And I have also element 1, element -1, element 2, element -2. The relation between them 1 to -1 and from -1 to 1, and also from 2 to -2 and 2 to 2. This represents the arrow diagram. Then the Cartesian diagram, I will draw 2 plots, okay? The first one represents x, and the second also x. Element of x, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, and also -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, okay? -2 is 2, -1 is 1, 0, 0, 1, -1, 2, -2, okay? Next question here, number 3. If x equals set of elements 1, 2, 3, and set of element y 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and R is a relation from x to y, where A or B means A plus B equal 5. For each A belong to what? A belong to x and B belong to y. Write the relation R and represent it by arrow diagram. Okay, I need to what? I need to write the relation. Okay, so the relation here, I need to what? Write the relation between them. Okay. The relation A plus B equal 5. The first element belong to x is 0. 0 plus what equal 5? 0 plus 5. So the first order pair 0 and 5. Now second element 1. 1 plus 4, good. 1 and 4. 2 plus 3 equal 5. So the next order pair 2 and 3. And last one 3 and 2. Yes. That's the relation. Now I need to represent it by arrow diagram. Then I will relation is function or not, and find the range, okay? So, the arrow diagram which represents this function x, y, element of x 0, 1, 2, 3, element of y 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 0 and 5, 1, 4, 2, 3, 3 and 2. This relation represents the function because what? Because each element in set x appears as first projection once, okay? And the range is set of elements 2, 3, 4, 5. Next question, number 4. F, where fx equal x power 2 minus 2x plus 5, prove that f2x plus 1 equal to f1 minus root 2. I will substitute by the values of 2 root 2 plus 1 in x and also 1 minus 2 in x, okay? So, f2 root 2 plus 1 equals 2 root 2 plus 1 raised to the power 2 minus 2, 2 root 2 plus 1 plus 5. You can simplify it. The value is equals 12. Then f1 minus root 2 equal 1 minus root 2 power 2 minus 2 times 1 minus root 2 minus, plus 5. The answer is equal 6. Yes, here I need to multiply it by 2. 2 times 6 equal 12. Then left hand side equal right hand side. Number 5, graph. Graph function f, where fx equal x power 2 minus 2x minus 3 is quadratic function. Taking x belonging to the integral negative 2 and 4 from the graph, find the three questions. The point of the vertex of the curve, equation of the line of symmetry, maximum or minimum value of the function. What is the first? The coefficient of x power 2, positive or negative? Positive, yes. So, the function has minimum value, okay? Now, I will substitute by the whole number which belongs to this integral. Negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 in the function to find the values of y, okay? Then represent it in the square net to find the graph like that. And from the graph, I will find what the point of the vertex of the curve. Point of the vertex of the curve here, 1 and negative 4. So, point of the vertex of the curve equal negative, 1 and negative 4. X coordinates represent the equation of x-axis of symmetry, so x equal 1. The equation of x-axis of symmetry is x equal 1. And I took what? The curve here open up. So the function has minimum value. Minimum value is equal negative 4. Okay? Next question, number 6. Find the number that if we add to two terms of the ratio 17 to 22, the result will be 6 to 7. Okay, I need to find the number. Let the number x. Okay, let the number is x. If we add, so I will make plus to the two terms of the ratio 17 over 22. I will add to the two terms of the ratio. So plus 6, and here also plus 6. It will be, equal 6 to 7. Now you can make cross multiplication to simplify it. 7 times 17 equals 119 plus 7 times x, 7x equal 6 times 22, 132 plus 6 times 6x. Now you can simplify it. We get x equal 13. Okay? Next exercise, number 7. F4 x minus 3y 2x plus y equal 4 to 7. Find the simplest form of the ratio of x to y. Okay, I can write it in the fractional form. Okay, so 4x minus 3y over 2x plus y equals 4 over 7. Then you can make cross multiplication. 28x minus 21y equal 8x plus 4y. Now you can simplify it by move 8x here and also move 21y to the another side with the opposite sign. We get 20x equal 25y. Then I need to find the ratio between x to y. So x to y equal 25 to 20. But take care here, I need to find the answer in the simplest form. So you can divide by 4 up and down. So 5 over 4 is the ratio between x to y. Next exercise, number 8. If A, B, C, and D are proportional, prove that 2A plus 3C over 7A minus 5C equal 2B plus 3D over 7B minus 5D. Okay, I said what? A, B, C, and D. I have 4 quantitative, or I have 4 proportional quantities. So only proportional. So A over B equals C over D equals F. Then A equal BM, C equal DM. The left hand side, okay, I will substitute by the values of A and C the left hand side. 2A, so 2PM minus 3DM over 7BM minus 5DM. Now we know MM. You can take M as highest common factor. So M equal M3 times 2P minus 3D over M 7P minus 5D. You can cancel M with M. Equal 2P minus 3D over 7B minus 5D equal, yes, right hand side. So left hand side equal right hand side. Next exercise, number 9, grade 9. If A over 4 equal B over 5 equal C over 3. Prove that A minus P plus D over A plus P minus D equal 3. Okay, here I have first term and second term. To find the first term, you can multiply the second ratio by -1. Then we will add plus B minus C equal 2 over 6 equal third. Okay? Exercise number 10. If P is a middle proportion between A and C, prove that. I said what? Middle proportion. So this proportion is continued proportion. Then A over B equals B over C equals M. Then A equal, yes, A equal CM over 2 and B equal CM. Why substitute in the left hand side and also right hand side? On left hand side, we have A CM power 2 minus B CM over A CM power 2. Why taken CM as a common factor, okay? So C M here, the common here M minus Cm 1 over Cm power 2. You can cancel C with C and M with M. So the left hand side here equal M minus 1 over M. Okay? By the same idea, only substitute for the values of A and B. Sorry. And right hand side we get here and right hand side A, I said what? A equals C and power 2 and what? B equals C M. Okay? So here A C and power 2 minus what? Minus C, good. Over what? Over A plus B. A equals C and power 2 plus B C M. So you can take what? You can take here C as a common factor. Okay? So here M power 2 minus 1 over C is a common, and also here M over F plus here, okay, plus 1. You can cancel C to C. Then you can factorize this into two brackets. M plus 1 and M minus 1 over M, and here M plus 1. You can cancel this bracket with this bracket. So the right hand side equals M minus 1 over M equal left hand side. And last exercise, inshallah. Now I finished. Good luck. Bye.